Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. So all of you had your lunch?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So I hope last period we were doing addition of integers. That is, how will you add when so many integers are given? Isn't it?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So this period also, you want any problem from that? You understood, no? How to add?
Ma'am, understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
For
ma'am.
subtraction, you
Now
can give
shall we,
two.
this period, shall we go for multiplication?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
What we
ma'am.
should do, what you will do if so many integers are given together for multiplying. That's what we are going to see. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Amaya, you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Addition you understood, no? Addition.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Now we go for multiplication. What you are going to do when so many integers are given to multiply? Let us see.
Ma'am,
Yes,
may your voice is very low, ma'am. I cannot
my
hear.
voice is low.
Yes, ma'am. I cannot hear.
Side.
No, ma'am. Your sound is perfect.
Now?
Now it's okay, ma'am. Ma'am, your sound is okay.
Now it's okay, no?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
Yeah.
Now it's
So
okay,
listen.
ma'am.
So we are going to see what we will do for multiplication. Just check. Okay. So if I am asked to multiply like this, -3 into -4 into +1 into -2. Okay. I'm asked to multiply the numbers or integers like this. What should I do?
Ma'am,
Look
the
here.
same
Ma'am, you
method
have to
like
first multiply the positive, the negative integers and then multiply it with the positive integer.
No. See, that is a method which takes long time. What you have to do is simply don't think about any of the signs. Simply multiply the numbers. 3 into 4 into 1 into 2. Simply multiply the numbers. Clear?
Ma'am, 3,
Ma'am,
ma'am, 3 into 4
Multiply.
is 12, 1 into 2
12
is
into
2,
2.
and 2 into 12 is 24.
12 into 2, 24. So you got
24.
24. Clear? Now listen to what I am saying. There is a rule. Here, how many number of negative integers are there? How many negatives are there?
3.
1, 2, 3. 3 is which number? Odd number or even number?
odd number.
Odd number.
Odd number.
Odd
Isn't it?
number.
So 3, 1, 2, 3 negatives are there. So how many negatives? 3 negatives. 3 means it is odd number. So final answer will be negative.
Ma'am, so instead of
Suppose one
ma'am,
more negative one was there. Okay.
Answer
So
would be
how many
positive.
number of negatives are there? 1,
Ma'am,
2,
4.
4.
3, 4. So you got 4
24.
negatives. So answer will be positive 24.
Ma'am, so instead of negative, for 3, 4, 1 and 1, 2 and 1, if instead of negative, if it is positive, then we should count the number of positive also.
No, no, no. Only negatives because
Okay.
positives will not make any change. Only negatives. Count
Okay, ma'am.
only the negatives in that set of multiplication. So if the number of negative integers are odd, answer is negative. If the number of negative integers are even, answer is positive. Because you see, when two negative integers we multiply, answer is positive, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Positive.
So when you take
Yes,
even
ma'am.
number of negative integers, answer is positive. When you
Yes, ma'am.
multiply even number of negative integers, answer is positive.
Positive.
When you multiply odd number of negative integers, answer will be negative.
Negative.
Understood? The
Yes,
reason
ma'am.
is this.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose if I am giving you like this eraser.
Thank you, and let's me one more time. I didn't
Yes,
understand.
yes, yes. Any number of times I can explain. Look at this. Suppose if I am giving -1 into -1 into -1 into -1. So count, first multiply all the numbers which is given. First you simply multiply all the numbers given. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. How many ones? 4 1. No, 5 ones. 4 1 only.
5.
5 are there, this one 5. So only 4 are given. So erase 1. Only 5 1, 4 ones. So what is the answer? 1 into 1 into 1, you know what is the answer, isn't it? What is the answer?
Ma'am, we'll
1
give one itself. One.
1. Now check how many negative numbers? 1, 2, 3,
4.
4. 4 negative. 4 means it is
Ma'am,
even
positive.
number or odd
Even,
number?
even. Ma'am,
Even number.
You know what is odd number and even number, no?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Even
So
number
even numbers means
means
it will
two,
be the
four,
multiples of
6.
2's.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And odd number means all it is like 1, 3, 5, 7. All are odd
Ma'am,
numbers.
9.
9, 11, all are
Ma'am,
odd
it's like
numbers.
prime number.
Okay. So if the number of negative integers are even and final answer of multiplication will be positive. The number of negative integers are odd, then the final answer of the multiplication will be negative. Clear?
Ma'am,
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll give
excuse
you.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am. Your voice is very low. You
Okay,
can
okay.
keep
I
your
will
mic.
speak like this. Now tell me, anybody can tell me, those who are listening, please tell me what is the rule which I have told you?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the rule is first we have to multiply the numbers without the sign. Then we have to count the number of negatives, and if the number is odd, then the final answer should be negative. If the number is even, then the final answer should be positive.
Very good. It is easy, no?
Yes, ma'am, very
It
easy.
is easy.
Okay, so we can do it. Now I'll give some questions, find out the answer. After this only we can move to the properties. So try to do these problems. All this you do in the rough book, okay? I will give the formal notes I will give you later.
Yes, ma'am.
Then only you start writing the note. All this you write in the rough note. So sometimes only 2 integers will be there. Sometimes 3 integers or 4 integers will be there. Find out the answer. Four means positive 4. Okay, I hope you can find out the answer easily.
Ma'am, I completed.
Ma'am, I also completed.
Ma'am, I also completed. Ma'am, I also.
Amida, why your video is switched off? Amida? Why your video is switched off? Switch on your video. I want to see whether you are doing it or not. Finished, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All finished. Okay. So let us discuss the answers. Yes, Vaiga, can you tell me the first one is easy, isn't it? First one I will tell. First one is easy. Oh, -1 into -3. What is the answer you got?
Ma'am, positive.
Positive
Positive.
3 into 3, 3. Okay, positive 3. Okay, Vaiga, can you tell me the next one? Yes, loudly.
And the answer is -9.
-9. Correct. Because how many negatives are there? 3. 3 negative numbers. So it is odd number. Answer will be negative. So simply multiply the numbers. 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 3, 9. Sign 3 negatives are there. So answer is -9. Correct. Balashankar, next one. What is the answer?
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
You didn't understand.
Ma'am?
First you do, I'll tell you. First you simply multiply the numbers. You know to multiply, no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
9 into 3, 27. Simply multiply. 9 into 3, 27.
27.
27 into 6. Simply multiply. What did you get? Twenty-seven into 6. Hello? What is 27 into 6?
Ma'am.
You got, how much you got?
150.
Huh?
Ma'am,
I'm positive 162.
Okay,
Ma'am.
you got 162.
Ma'am.
Isn't it? 162. Now count how many negative numbers are there.
Ma'am, 2 negative numbers.
2 negative numbers. 2 means it is odd or even number.
Ma'am, it is even.
Ma'am, even number.
Ma'am, so
Even
it
number.
would be positive.
If number of negatives are even, then answer is positive.
Positive.
If number of negatives are odd, then answer is negative.
Negative.
Now did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, we understood.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So that is it. Simply multiply. Simply
Ma'am.
multiply the numbers, get the answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is very low for me, ma'am. I cannot hear you.
Okay, what about others, children?
Ma'am, we can hear.
Maybe because of the net issues or some
No,
problem.
ma'am, your microphone, you keep to your mouth. I can
Okay, I
hear.
will speak like this. Okay, okay.
Can you explain one more time? I can understand.
Okay.
Sorry,
See,
sorry.
I asked you to simply multiply the numbers. 9 into 3 into 6. I multiplied, you got 162, isn't it?
Yes.
Then count the number of negatives. How many negatives are there? 1, 2, isn't it? 2 negative numbers. 2 is odd or even number?
Even.
Even. So if it is even number, answer is positive. Then if it is odd, answer will be negative. Final answer will be negative. Only that. Now we will do the next one, then it will be more clear. Okay, Amita, Vinod, Amita. Can you answer the next question? Next question. Tell me the answer of next question.
ma'am, minus, negative 24.
Negative
24.
24, correct. So let us see how it is done. See, simply multiply the numbers. What are the numbers? 1 into 2 into
3 into 4.
into 4. That is 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. So we got answer as 24, isn't it? We got
Yes, ma'am.
multiplying, we got the answer as 24. So we write it as 24. Now check the signs. How many negatives are there? 1,
3, so it's
2,
negative.
3. How many negatives?
Negatives.
3 negative numbers. 3 is odd or even?
Odd
Odd number. So answer is negative. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. Okay. So Gauri S. Kumar, tell me the next question's answer. Gauri, can you tell me? I think you are stuck. Adul Krishna?
Ma'am,
Next one's answer.
plus, ma'am, positive 132.
Positive 0. What is the answer you are getting? Namasya, switch on the video. Namasya. Ismail, Suhim. Are you writing? Ismail,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the answer?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
Positive 320.
Positive 320 you got?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, positive 1,320.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
1,320.
1,320. Okay, so when you multiply 12 into 11 into 10, Okay, 12 into 11 you multiply. See, it
132.
is
And we get
12.
130.
Yeah.
132.
So
Then we
you
have
will
to
get
put a 0.
132. Now multiply
then
with this
zero.
10.
1 0.
1,
We add 1.
3, 2, 0.
0.
So we got the answer as 1320.
20.
So what we do is when you multiply, you will get all this answer 1320. Okay. 1320. Now,
Now,
yes. 1320. Now count the number of negatives in that.
2
Ma'am, 2.
negatives.
So
12 is negative number 11. So two numbers are negative. 2 is even or odd?
Even number.
Even.
Answer
Answer
should
is
be
positive or negative?
positive.
Positive number.
So positive. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So that is the rule for multiplying different integers. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. What is the answer? Anybody can say.
Ma'am.
Last.
Negative 360.
360.
Very good. When you multiply, you will get 360. Check the sign. How many negatives are there?
3 negative.
3 negative.
3 negative.
3 negatives are there. So it is odd or even.
Even.
Odd number.
Just Ma'am, are you there?
And it's gone.